Hi everyone, we're at the Next Money conference here in Hong Kong. Today we have Steve Monaghan here with us from Gen.Life, and we'd like to ask him a few questions. So Steve, I'd like to understand a little bit more about what are the top trends you're seeing in the Insuretech landscape. So tell us more.
I think the interesting thing that's happening in the insurance landscape as a former head of innovation for AIA is you're seeing very much three big trends that are impacting the industry. The first one's artificial intelligence, and the adoption of that in the insurance industry is far exceeding the early scale adoption of artificial intelligence in the banking industry, which is interesting. The second core technology is blockchain, again shared with the finance industry, but you're starting to see a better application of blockchain into the insurance industry than you do see in banking. And the third one is actually digital health. What we've discovered through genomics, etc., is that we're basically all just code, and now there's the ability to amend that code, and you're starting to see a shift in the insurance industry from being remedial to being preventative, and I think that that's a very interesting development.
So thanks, Steve. And the next thing that we'd like to ask you is really in the area of where do you think digital insurers should be moving forward in the future? Where are they at now, and where do you think they should be?
I think we're seeing the same challenges that we saw in the banking industry. I used to be Chief Innovation Officer at DBS Bank. And what you're seeing is that when you're trying to transform a massive existing organization, it's always difficult. The ability to go and look at digital and be digital from the core, I think is one of the more important ways of developing capabilities in this area. So what we really see is companies starting to look at how to create a truly digital core, so it's native to being blockchain and artificial intelligence oriented, and then extending and understanding risk and etc., and translating that technology back into the industry. I think that's the way forward.